Hello friends, you can log on to primeaptacademy.com to access complete free video courses. So this is the data sufficiency question from CAT 1999 paper. So in the data sufficiency question you have these two statements. If you have to mark answer A if the question can be answered by both the statements alone, okay, but cannot be answered by using the other statement. Okay, so if the question can be answered by any one of the statement but can't be answered by the other statement, then option A has to be marked. Option B is marked if both of them can be answered independently alone. Both the statements give you the answer. C is like if you combine the statements and only then you can answer the question. And D is even after combining you can't answer the question. So the instructions are written here. Now we look at the question. It says a small storage tank is spherical in shape. What is the storage volume of the tank? Okay. The first statement says the wall thickness of the tank is 1 centimeter. So I know the thickness. So storage volume is the internal volume of the tank. So it is spherical like this. So it has some thickness here. So storage volume is like this, like water if I have inside it. This water over here, the volume of that is the storage volume. It is the inside volume. I know the thickness. So it doesn't help me to find the internal volume of the tank, because this is this thickness. I need the radius as well. The internal radius, if I know, then I can find the volume, because for sphere the volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube, okay, where r is the radius. Now it says further, the first is not giving me the internal radius, so I can't find out. Second says when an empty spherical tank is immersed in a tank filled with water, 20 liter of water overflow from the tank. So if let's say this is this tank filled with water, once you put this sphere inside of it, some water overflows. What is that water? 20 liter. So that means volume of this sphere combined, internal, external, total volume of the sphere is 20 liter, because that is the amount of water it is displacing. Now we know the external volume is 20 liter. The external volume is 20 liter of the sphere, and I know the thickness. So from external volume I can find the external radius, and in that external radius if I subtract the thickness we'll get the internal radius. Okay, so when I combine these statements then I am able to answer the question, because as soon as I get the internal radius I can find the answer. Okay, keep in mind we don't have to find the volume, we just need to find can we find the volume or not. Okay, so that means if I combine the statements then I can answer it. So answer option C is the correct answer option here. Okay, answer option C is the correct answer option. Alright, that's how you solve this question.